Nervos, permissionless layer one open source proof of work protocol, building the foundation, the building blocks for true interoperability across the entire blockchain network, now connected to Binance Smart Chain. What is up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Thank you for coming by. Hit the subscribe and like on the way in. It means a lot to me. Nervos, thank you for this collaboration. Thank you for sponsoring this video. This isn't the first time we've covered Nervos and what they're doing. I did a video back in June talking about Cardano and Nervos to launch cross-chain bridge. I want to talk more about that. This is a story of building blocks, everyone. This is a story of blockchains coming together. Nervos talks about the segregation of ecosystems in blockchain space, and wow, do we see that? And it is from a social dynamic. It's so illustrated. It's so easy to kind of see that segregation in crypto. Well, Nervos, with what they're building, is bringing that together through interoperability. And I think that's going to do something even to the social dynamic of crypto. And that's something interesting to explore, maybe for another video. So Binance Smart Chain Bridge, it was launched today as you watch this video. And this is what's cool. This was sometime in December, mid-December, upcoming BSC bridge. Somebody posted in regards to this tweet, which basically says, Nervos network team working hard behind the scenes. Force bridge anyone for BSC? Yet another massive step for Nervos CKB. And this is what it is. It is massive step. It is stepping stones. And you can see as this launches today, the BSC bridge, I just want to kind of talk about some things. This kind of overlaps with other things that are happening with Nervos. And here's a look at their Force Bridge website. But if we go to real quick, if we actually go to their homepage, beyond interoperability towards universal application, early internet, this is important. Early internet applications lived on segregated networks, needing different ways to access and interact. Now, in today's decentralized world, we again see the segregation into different ecosystems with poor interoperability. So today's news is very focused on Binance Smart Chain and Binance Smart Chain coming to Nervos. It is very much focused on that. But there's a couple things here that we need to focus on. Number one, this is the second, right? First off, this is the second. And here's the first. This was Ethereum. This wasn't long ago. This was in October. We've crossed a significant milestone with the first Nervos network cross-chain bridge, Force Bridge. Now live on mainnet, the Ethereum Force Bridge connects the Ethereum ecosystem to our own Nervos ecosystem for increased interoperability and token liquidity. So today we have Binance Smart Chain added to that equation. And the reason why this is so big, I mean, Binance has the largest total value locked. And now that is connected to Nervos. We've got over 2 million active daily addresses, more than any coin, connected to Nervos. That's a big time stuff. But maybe you're not even interested in Ethereum. Maybe you're not interested in Binance Smart Chain. These are extremely big milestones for not only Nervos, but the entire crypto ecosystem, because that interoperability and the connection of the blockchain network as a whole, the universal blockchain network, it starts with all of these protocols starting to come together. And the Force Bridge from Nervos is really doing a good job of that. And I think it's extremely important to point that out. And we can kind of pivot into other protocols from there, right? This article goes on. Upcoming updates will include Wrap CKB on Ethereum, ADA Force Bridge, Bitcoin Force Bridge, Bitcoin Force Bridge, Bitcoin Force Bridge. And it's really big news. So let's talk about YokaiSwap. YokaiSwap, a next evolution DeFi exchange on the Nervos network, is a big deal as well, because for the first time, guess what? Users can move their CKB token on chain and earn APY through different incentive programs. And so this whole YokaiSwap, and I always have trouble pronouncing it for some reason, was recently announced. So you can kind of see how Nervos is kind of bringing all of these things together to build their ecosystem. And it's kind of epic. Nervos enters DeFi arena with YokaiSwap, $70 million locked up on first day. $70 million locked up on first day. Nervos today announced that YokaiSwap, a decentralized trading platform, is now live on the mainnet. YokaiSwap is the first decentralized exchange. DEX builds on Nervos, marking an important step for the network's development as emerging projects begin building and launching dApps within the ecosystem. Check this out. As DeFi continues to take off and crypto users move their assets from centralized exchanges to decentralized platforms, DEXs continue to see major growth. And actually, this article touches on what I was just about to talk about. According to a new report from Chain Analysis, the value on large decentralized exchanges, DEXs like Curve, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap, grew by about 550% from August 2020 to 2021. And I want to pivot from that to what Nervos is doing outside of all of this. We know about the Nervos Cardano force bridge. I did a video on it. Check this out. Cardano lending platform Meld to use Force Bridge for added liquidity. They have partnership with Meld. The Meld platform built on Cardano recently made headlines for attracting more than $1 billion worth of staked Cardano to its protocol. It will be looking to increase liquidity even further thanks to the ADA to CKB Force Bridge, which is still in development. Check this one out. Nervos and SundaeSwap. Many people in crypto ecosystem becoming very familiar with SundaeSwap. Partner to provide cross-chain liquidity. The soon-to-be-launched Nervos Force Bridge will be a key component to the partnership, which will enable the SundaeSwap decentralized exchange to utilize Nervos Bridge to provide additional liquidity. This was in September, by the way. Cardano has been a familiar partner for Nervos with the formation of the UTXO Alliance, as well as the building of the first bridge to Cardano, and our latest partnership with SundaeSwap Labs is a promising one for both Nervos and Cardano, said Kevin Wang, co-founder at Nervos. This strategic partnership is an important step towards interoperability between the Nervos and the Cardano chains. SundaeSwap is among the first Cardano projects to leverage Force Bridge technology to create cross-chain liquidity. Do you see? So we're pivoting all over the place. I get it, but I purposely wanted to do that. Binance Smart Chain. It started with Ethereum, the Force Bridge for Ethereum. Binance Smart Chain, Cardano ADA Smart Chain, or Force Bridge. Bitcoin Force Bridge. Do you see the dots connecting? I am very much the type of person that just loves connecting the dots. And when I see projects connecting the dots, and truly, I mean, interoperability, it's all about connecting the dots. When I see that happening, it's a really, really good sign. So there's a lot going on in the Nervos ecosystem. So today's news is really exciting news. It's cool news. It's big news. And if we start looking at Nervos and kind of where it is, we can go over to CoinMarketCap real quick. Nervos ranked 126 on CoinMarketCap. We've got, what is it? $603 million market cap. So not even $1 billion market cap, not even a top 100, and they're making this many moves. They are a key interoperability protocol, doing really big things for the entire blockchain network, not even a top 100. So when we start thinking about that, I start thinking about, all right, well, what kind of upside is there for Nervos, right? Ranked 126, 600 million. Well, we go into the top 30, we can see that's right around in between the $5 to $6 billion market cap. So that 10x potential into the top 30. I mean, I think the go-to interoperability platform for blockchain, Nervos, could very well be a top 30. And I think that's important to point out. And it'll be very interesting to see the reflection of how Nervos Network continues to grow, continues to bring on different chains, right? And these force bridges. And it'll be interesting to see the value of CKB and if that reflects in a similar manner. Here's the chart right now. It's very early stage for CKB in my view. There's been a lot of just nice consolidation on the macro because this is a weekly chart, everybody. This is really zoomed out. This is going back almost a year. And when we look at this chart, I highlighted up here just kind of that $6 billion, $5 to $6 billion market cap somewhere up there, right around the 20-cent range, as Nervos currently sitting right around 2 cents. And so that's what I like to do is kind of see and visualize the growth of networks from a fundamental technical perspective as they're building, as they're growing, as they're implementing ideas, and as they're providing solutions to now other blockchains, Nervos is. I like to see how that's reflected on the charts as that story is being told. And so here we are this week, Binance Smart Chain, Force Bridge. We've already had Ethereum Force Bridge and all of these other bridges in the works. It's very interesting to track this. And so big news today for Nervos. Congratulations to the Nervos team. Congratulations to the community. And it's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out for Nervos and the growth of the network. So those are my thoughts on Nervos. Once again, thank you, Nervos, for sponsoring this video. Keep killing it. Keep growing. Appreciate all of you. Hit the subscribe. Hit the like. God bless.